To enable 4K on Xumo TV, first ensure your TV and streaming device support 4K and HDR. Use an HDMI 2.0 or higher cable for the connection. On your TV, navigate to Settings, then Picture, and set the resolution to 4K UHD or 3840 by 2160. Enable HDR if available. On your streaming device, go to Display Settings and select Auto Detect or 4K UHD to enable 4K output. Once configured, Xumo will stream in 4K if the content supports it. Look for 4K or UHD badges on titles. If 4K isn't working, start by verifying your internet speed. You need at least 25 megabits for smooth 4K streaming. Next, ensure your HDMI cable is properly connected to a 4K compatible port on your TV. Then, restart both your streaming device and TV to refresh the connection. Disable any energy-saving modes on your TV, as these can limit resolution. Remember, Xumo relies on third-party licensing for 4K content, so availability is limited, and ads can sometimes cause temporary resolution drops. If issues persist, ensure your device firmware is up to date.